if I say a plus b squared, and I draw it out, what I'm really saying is a plus b times a plus b, and I get a squared, a, b, and b squared. So the pattern for this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Right?
Like, it makes perfect sense.
Doesn't make
Hmm.
It makes. Oh yeah.
Okay.
No way.
And then if you change this to a minus b squared, you get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
Yeah.
All right. So what you could do is, if you look at this previous problem, see this? This is like something squared. This is something squared. Right? So, like, if I say 2x and I square it, that equals 4x squared. If I say 6 squared, that equals 36.
So
You ready to watch this? If I say negative this, right? But what's negative 2x times negative 6 times 2?
24.
Now, you probably won't recognize that right away, so I'm not real worried if you go, oh, that's a perfect square, blah, blah, blah. No, just factor it out. Yeah.
Is it a positive?
Is what a positive?
Is the negative 24 actually positive 24?
I don't know. What's in the equation or the expression?
Well, okay, but if you multiply two negative, go positive.
Oh, yeah. So how did I get that?
You didn't.
Oh, one of them's negative. Probably the 2. Yeah, or one of them's positive. You're right.
Yeah, the two's
Because I was like, you have two.
One of them. Well, it doesn't. It could be one of them. One of them's positive, and so that would make this positive, and then you get a negative. I see what you're saying. Boy, I feel kind
Well,
of
you got
silly for yelling
stumped.
at you now. For a shame. Anyways, don't worry, you had it coming.
What?
We could just factor this though, and we'll get the same thing. So let's just factor it, and we'll see that it's a perfect square. In other words, my go-to every time is just going to be to factor it. So I'm going to have 4x squared and 36. Okay?
Oh.
Now, I said that the first term, the leading term, will be rigged up, so it'll be easy. I'm going to guess 2x times 2x. And then the only other issue is I got to have 36. It could be 4 and 9, it could be all that stuff, but it has to be negative. So in order for me to get a positive 36 and have negative values in here, both of these terms have to be negative. Now if I did 4 and 9, it wouldn't add up to 24. If I did 3 and 12, it wouldn't add up to 24. But 6 and 6 is 12. When you multiply that by the 2, I get 24. Does that make sense? So 2 times this is negative 12. 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. And then 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. And when I add them all up together, I get my negative 24x. So, what did I find out? I found out that 2x minus 6 squared, right? But let's not write it as squared. Let's just write it out like we normally would. So I write this out and I go, hey, yeah, it's 2x minus 6 times 2x minus 6.
It's always
the same. And then you say, well, that's the same as this.
Yeah, 2 got 6 squared.
It's a perfect